Hello, everyone. This is Amanda Ray coming to you with a quick video. For those that don't know, I've been online since 2015 trying to figure out how to make a full-time income to leave my daytime job. And I was able to do so the end of 2016. And now I'm showing others how to do the same. I'm excited to be here today because I haven't been on YouTube in some days now because I was feeling a little bit under the weather. And I had some other things going on in life, which happens, but I'm glad to be back and to share with you this information about the system that I've been using that's allowed me to earn a full-time income online. And, I'm just here to give people information, inspire other people to start a home-based business because if you would have told me back in 2010, 2011 that this would be possible, I would have said no way. But once I looked onto YouTube and started seeing that people were earning a full-time income from home, living the laptop lifestyle, that's something that I wanted to do. I became addicted to YouTube videos and trying to figure out how to create this lifestyle that people are living on a regular basis, having the time freedom, and not only that, the financial freedom that they need in order to live their life on their terms, okay? Not only that, you want to leave something behind for your children and you want them to know that there's a better way if there is one. And I honestly believe that working online and being able to have commissions and money come into you from an online business is obtainable, okay? So I'm going to go right into the program that I'm with. And of course, if you want more information, you can reach out to me. This is my Facebook page. You can send me a friend request. I am more than happy to answer any questions that you may have, okay? For those that don't know, the Power Lead system, it's been around for quite some years. I want to say at least over 8 years. And it allows you to bring in unlimited commissions, a traffic generation magnet that I've been using, and I've been showing others how to do the same by giving one-on-one coaching, setting up people funnels, and helping them to get started. And with this program, I've been able to bring in thousands of dollars online, and I'm showing others how to do the same. So, just going into my account balance, I'm going to, of course, do proof first. I love to show people proof that what's possible when you're on this online journey. These are the commissions that I've been able to bring in, and these are weekly commissions that I've been able to bring in that has allowed me to do things that I would not be able to do if I had a regular 9-to-5, okay? And what I can say is that with this program, it is easy to learn, it's easy to set up, and it's easy to start just running cold traffic to it and allowing it to pretty much work on its own on the back end, okay? So you're just running cold traffic. What I do, I run cold traffic. I put up some of my results on Facebook, some from time to time, but I'm mainly just running cold traffic to this funnel, and it's converting as is. I've been able to bring in commissions that go directly into my bank account, and I'm just grateful about it because this sales funnel that they give you allows you to basically just start running traffic to it, and it converts as is. They give you different funnels that you can work with, and these funnels that you're using is going to allow you to basically put this on autopilot. So this is my account here, and we get paid every single week. Payday is actually tomorrow. Prices Possibilities, that's where we get paid. The money comes out of your PLS account, and you can have it go directly into your bank account, or you can use a debit card and have it go into a debit card. So as you can see, these thousands of dollars I've been able to receive utilizing the system has changed my life, and it has allowed me to travel, put my kids in private school, buy things that I never would be able to buy, and do some work on my house and things like that. So yes, I promote this heavy because it has changed my life, and I'm very grateful for this opportunity. So if you want more information about this opportunity, you want to connect with me, I'm here to help you. And I'm not one of those type of sponsors that, get you in a program and then I'm not around, you can't find me. I'm in a witness protection program. That's not going to happen. I'm going to be here to help you, guide you, and see you through. So thanks so much for watching my channel. Please subscribe if you're not already subscribed, and I'll speak to you again tomorrow. Have a great night.